Okay, we got the SD famous coffee Better Buzz. I got the best drink ever. Let's see if it's really the best drink ever though. What's yours again? Snickerdoodle. Ooh, tastes like a cookie. It's supposed to be the best drink ever. Yeah, I know. Yours is better. Guys, look at how big my lobster roll is. It's literally a roll. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's literally a loaf of bread. It's so big. I don't know if it'll look big on the camera, but it's huge. And what did you get? Saw?
The chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles. I think I have to cut this. Some lemons. I can tell you that this is worth 34 bucks. I don't even think I'm gonna eat it like a sandwich. I'm just gonna like literally cut it and eat it with my fork. I just dismantled it, but this is how it's looking like. I think it's worth $34. Let us do our adventure of crossing. Yeah, staying by the sides, sir. Now someone fall into that right there. Whoa.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna just do it like this.
Man.
All right.
We're going back up. Oh, look at the
Yeah.
line.
Where? Looks like Iggy. I know. It's like a cotton puff.
Oh, look at it. What's that?
I don't know. I think it's just a pattern. Obviously not. That's not a jet. That's just an airplane.
Oh, okay, so alright, we gotta hike up this mountain now. Are you ready for the hike? Huh?
Yeah, I'm ready for the hike. The view is nice over there.
Alright.
I know you're not. You don't go to sleep already.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, military history exhibit hike.
It's only 100 feet ahead.
No, that's the exhibit.
Yeah, no, right there. That's 100 feet.
Alright, sir.
And then you just go another 100. Another cliff.
Okay. It's your golden hour. Oh my gosh. Don't do that. Stop. Letting the legs come loose.
They need to breathe.
With the wind up here, huh? Oh, you gotta let the toes out too, huh?
Ooh. Oh yeah. Let them breathe.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I got the food to go. We're still full from our big breakfast, but this thing is so good. Wait, so I got the lechon kawale. It's like one of the best ones I've ever tried. This will be dinner. Wow. 100% crafted. Handcrafted.